Yan anak. Yan anak, kilig-kilig. Kanya ano? Yan anak ba? Make faces go doon pa. Cute.
Hindi binabasa niyo ang face.
Forever. I never knew I could hurt like this. Life goes on like a wish got stuck you for a while. As soon as you reach a better place. Love trip. Lol.
Bye-bye.
Abota. But baby, let's go. Sige, abota. This is for my people who just lost somebody. And then on the wind, baby, and hit it to the sky. Bye.
Lisod kayo gapa bay. Wala jud. Tapos kuan pa jud kini mga ani na video. Anad ko ana, jud ko maulos camera ba. Kay kabalo mo ko sa akong sarili na gwapa ko, photogenic. Wala jud makalupig sa akong kagwapa.
Palit po nung umaw sa tindahan, day, oy.
Wow, usa na. Makain ba yung ulaw? Ay, nako.
Daw, posing daw, posing daw. Luda, this girl. Wala na ka last words before ka patayon.
Oh, I'm so sorry for I am so pretty.
Kanta din, don't hate me. Sige tayo.
Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. My one. J.R.
And it's all about me. And it's all about me. Baka naman ka. Ay, pinapil din. It's all about him.
Ikaw sa una, tapos mo
In heaven's eyes, there are no losers. In heaven's eyes, no hopeless cause. Only people like you, with feelings like me, amazed by the grace, we can find, in heaven's eyes. Wa na? Okay na ka.
Ay, palang mo, ma.
As in, lahi na po. Sad na katawa. Buang na katawa.
Paano mangugmo ang pobre?
Unsa? Yak! Sunod ang dato.
Dato?
Dato day na.
Dato na eh.
Ang middle class.
Middle class?
Unsa ka bati kag na? Oo, dayon.
Oo.
Buguan this girl. Robot na. Higda lang. Sige na, tama na.
Robot.